Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the power of text formula on the date column. And we need to find remaining details. First, we need to find day using date column. We select formula equals to text. First, we select date cell. Now, we use D2 times for day number. Now, if we need to find day name, we use here D4 times. Now, drag down formula to apply below. Now, we move to second formula for month. Select date cell. Now, we use here M2 times for month number. We can use M4 times for month name. Now, drag down formula to apply below. Now, we move to our third formula. Select date cell and type Y2 times. Now, type Y4 times for complete year. Now, drag down formula to apply below. We can use text in date format as well. Again, select date cell. Now, use date for format. You can use day, month, and date format. Now, drag down formula to apply below. You can find name as well in the date format. Now, drag down formula to apply below. In this way, we have used text in multiple formats.